Did you know your liver can become overloaded with fat, even if you rarely drink alcohol? Fatty liver is becoming one of the most common health conditions worldwide. Millions of people have it without realizing it because the early stages often have no symptoms. But here's the good news. Your liver is one of the few organs with an amazing ability to repair itself. The foods you choose every day can help reduce liver fat, calm inflammation, and protect your liver from further damage. Stay with me as we explore the best foods backed by science to help support a healthier liver, and the foods you'll want to avoid. Fatty liver happens when excess fat builds up inside liver cells. At first, these fat deposits may not cause any noticeable symptoms. But over time, too much fat can trigger inflammation inside the liver. This may lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to control blood sugar. If left untreated, ongoing damage can eventually lead to scarring and serious liver disease. Today, the most common form is called metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, or MASLD. The good news is that healthy eating and modest weight loss can significantly reduce liver fat. Even losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can make a remarkable difference for your liver. Among all eating patterns, the Mediterranean diet has the strongest scientific evidence for improving fatty liver. Instead of following strict diets, it focuses on eating real, wholesome foods every day. Meals are built around vegetables, fruits, fish, beans, olive oil, nuts, and whole grains. These nutrient-rich foods work together to nourish your entire body. They help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support a healthier liver. Research shows this eating pattern can reduce liver fat, even without dramatic weight loss. Small, consistent food choices can lead to meaningful improvements over time. The goal isn't perfection. It's making healthier food choices every single day. Vegetables should make up the largest portion of every meal. Leafy greens are among the best foods you can eat for a healthy liver. These greens are rich in antioxidants that help protect liver cells from everyday damage. Cruciferous vegetables are another powerful choice. They contain natural compounds that support your liver's normal detoxification process. Vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, cucumber, squash, and okra add fiber while staying naturally low in calories. Fiber helps support healthy digestion and overall metabolic health. Eating a variety of vegetables gives your body a wider range of beneficial nutrients. The more colorful your vegetables, the more protective nutrients your liver receives. Whole fruits can absolutely be part of a fatty, liver-friendly diet. The key is choosing whole fruits instead of fruit juice because fiber helps slow sugar absorption. Berries are packed with powerful antioxidants called polyphenols. These natural compounds help protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Apples and pears provide soluble fiber that helps slow sugar absorption. Papaya is rich in vitamin C and natural digestive enzymes. Grapefruit contains natural plant compounds that may support liver health, but it can interact with certain medications. Avocados are technically fruits and provide healthy fats that support insulin sensitivity. Sweeter fruits like mangoes, grapes, and pineapple can still be enjoyed in moderation. Enjoy a colorful variety of whole fruits as part of a balanced, liver-friendly diet. Protein helps keep you full and supports muscle, which also improves metabolism. Fatty fish are some of the best protein choices for liver health. These fish are rich in omega-3 fats that help reduce liver fat and support overall health. Aim to enjoy fatty fish 2 or 3 times each week. Lean chicken and turkey are also excellent sources of high-quality protein. Eggs can also be part of a balanced, liver-friendly diet. Plant proteins like lentils, chickpeas, beans, tofu, and edamame are excellent choices. These plant foods also provide fiber while staying naturally low in saturated fat. The healthiest approach is to enjoy a variety of protein sources throughout the week. Not all fats are harmful. Healthy fats can actually help protect your liver. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest choices you can make. It helps improve insulin sensitivity and supports a healthy liver. A small handful of walnuts each day provides healthy omega-3 fats and antioxidants. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also excellent choices. They're easy to add to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Healthy fats are nutritious, but portion size still matters. Whole grains digest more slowly than refined carbohydrates. This helps provide steady energy instead of rapid spikes in blood sugar. Foods like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are rich in fiber. Fiber helps support healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Oats are especially rich in beta-glucan, a beneficial type of fiber. Simple food swaps can make a meaningful difference for your liver over time. Replacing refined grains with whole grains is a simple step toward better liver health. Some of the best liver-supporting drinks might already be in your kitchen. Unsweetened black coffee has some of the strongest evidence for protecting the liver. Studies suggest regular coffee drinkers have a lower risk of serious liver disease. Green tea is another excellent choice for liver health. It contains catechins, natural plant compounds that help protect liver cells. Garlic, turmeric, and ginger also provide beneficial plant compounds. These ingredients help support your body's natural defenses and overall liver health. No single food or drink can heal your liver on its own. They work best as part of a healthy eating pattern, not as miracle cures. Some foods can encourage fat to build up in the liver over time. Alcohol should be avoided because it can increase liver damage over time. Sugary drinks are one of the biggest contributors to excess liver fat. Candy, pastries, and foods with added sugars are also best limited. Refined carbohydrates like white bread and white rice can rapidly raise blood sugar. Fried foods are often high in unhealthy fats and extra calories. Processed meats and heavily processed snacks are also best limited. These foods often contain excess sodium, unhealthy fats, and added ingredients. Small daily choices can have a big impact on your liver over time. Supporting your liver doesn't require complicated diets. Fill half your plate with vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with whole grains. Cook with extra virgin olive oil instead of butter whenever possible. Choose baking, steaming, or grilling instead of deep frying. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Keep your sodium intake to a healthy level by choosing fresh foods more often. These simple habits become powerful when you practice them consistently. Your liver works around the clock to keep your body healthy. By eating more whole foods and reducing processed foods, you're giving your liver the nutrients it needs to recover. Healthy eating isn't about being perfect, it's about making better choices more often. Lasting improvement comes from consistent, healthy habits, not quick fixes. Every healthy meal is a step toward a stronger, healthier liver. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to The Healthy Media for more science-backed nutrition and natural wellness tips.